I hold him up. Tell us what we're about to do.
We're looking after the lions and cheetahs today.
And how do you think this will go?
It won't go too well with the lions, I'm guessing. But I'm thinking it might be okay with the cheetahs. It looks like a pretty heavy duty unit. It looks pretty cheetah.
Tell us, Bruce, what we're doing here.
Oh, no.
You can go in? Okay. It's this little hissing here from this cheetah. It's just a precautionary thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's sort of a little bit of display of aggression. I'm going to give it a hiding.
But they certainly want to go after it, not be repelled by it.
Yeah, but cheetahs are full of bravado, so as soon as the dog runs away, they will follow. As soon as the dog turns around,
You want to tell us what's going to happen?
So we're going to see if the cheetahs will pursue your robo dog. We've placed it just shy of the gate here. The cheetahs are a few meters away. This won't have quite the acceleration of the cheetahs, but I think they're a bit nervous as well, so they may hold back. So Brett is about to make history and open the slide. Okay, when you guys are ready, get ready to run. You ready? Okay. Opening slide. Come on, boys. Come check it out.
turn around and face him. Towards him. Well, I think you'll run away probably if you chase him.
This is what we were talking about. If there was a dangerous situation and you had to push back a dangerous animal, you'd get one crack at it if they weren't used to it.
Come on, GT. Cheetahs are very non-contact. Good boy, come get it. Good boy, go get it, go get it. Here's the brave one here. Okay. This is the brave one. Come on.
Not that brave, yeah, exactly. Huh? You can tell Josh to do whatever you want. That's in control of the robot. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
With that?
Yeah.
Attack.
They're such nervous Nellies.
Well, he seems to have calmed down. Is it a he or a she?
Both boys.
I'm very interested when it came through the game.
You get it running away from them there, they'll take you.